Get it, Marlon, get it. That's right, get that crap. Beat his ass. Don't stop. Let's say hi to the llama, friend. I love that llama. Mickey says happy Hanukkah. Salacious Crumb. He's supposed to move, but I gotta fix the battery or something. He moves a little bit. Frankie, what do you think of Salacious? You see, he moves, but I gotta get his battery working. Say hi, Frank. I got him in their cages because I got the door open for wind, and I can't let them walk out the door. See, the door's open for some wind cross stress, whatever, crosswind, whatever. Happy New Year, everybody.